Well, hello, good morning, welcome back to the channel. We are on Saturday morning this morning. We're out doing our checks. We've only got a short driving day today to get down to where I want to park up. So that isn't too bad. I've got the engine running because it is quite warm this morning. It's 21 degrees Celsius this morning at the minute. So yeah, quite warm and humid. It's a bit damp, so we're just making sure that everything is okay under there and there's no glaring the wrong. Oh. So yeah, this is going to be a shorter video for the driving part of it for trucking today, but I'm going to try and get out on a walk when I'm down at Breezewood and parked up this afternoon. I found a walk that I can try and get to. It's only just over the road, near enough from where we're going to be parking up. So that's going to be the plan, to get out on that and get a little bit of exercise in and get out of the cab, and we're not just sat in the cab full time and going stir crazy. All the lights are on, the seal's still on, and everything's looking good. It is quiet out on the roads today, but it is quiet in here today. You know, so you've seen how many spaces there are. Usually these are full in week. They're not usually this empty. I'm gonna pop under and check the pin. You won't be able to see it, but I can. That's still good. So yeah, let's get back in the truck and we'll get on our merry way down to the TA at Breezewood, and I can start the 34-hour rest. We'll just jump straight to this job, straight to the parking today. We're 167 mileage, just been on the same road all the way. We've not had a bad run, so yeah, that's the abandoned turnpike here, straight up, that I'm going to look at walking up, but we can get to it from the truck park, I think. We'll have a look, because on Google Maps there's a church here or something, and there's a walkway, but it was closed on the pictures, but I don't know if we'll be able to even see the fence from here, if it's open or not. No, it's closed off, its fence. It's just fully across, so don't know how we're really going to get to it. I don't really fancy crossing this road here because yeah, it's quite busy, so we're going to have a think about what we want to do regarding that. But let's turn into the TA. We're in. I apologise about the windscreen. I will get that cleaned over the weekend for Monday, if I remember. And then we have a clean windscreen for Monday. Let's see where we can get parked. Come through this one. See if we can get one of the free spaces. I think we might be able to. This guy's litter picking. He missed. Went straight up at top. Can we get on this front? Oh, I think we can. Oh, look at this. Alright, can we get a bit further down? Let's get next to this Swift trailer here. And this will ding dang do us. This will do us. Swift is a little bit over, but that's fine, we can fit in. Just want to straighten up a little bit. And then this will do us. Bring her back. And this is us in for the weekend. Front and behind the line. Perfect. Perfect. I'm glad we came this morning, because like I said, we got this free space now. We don't have to book him for the weekend, so that is perfect. Absolutely perfect. You can turn sat nav off and plug it. We've done 2,511 miles. For this week we've got 15 and a half hours left in our work week. Usually we've got 0 left, or very minimum. So yeah, we've definitely had a shorter week, but the mileage is still alright. So yeah, I am gonna just check the weather. I'll check the weather off camera, because I know football's kicking off soon as well, and I want to maybe try and catch that. But if not, we'll get out on the walk, and yeah, we'll go see what it's like on that trail. So I've made it to the trail. It's not that bad to get to, only a couple minutes walk from the truck, but yeah, it's just, this is the old Pennsylvania Turnpike. It's the abandoned Pennsylvania Turnpike. There's meant to be a tunnel down here somewhere, about a mile down here somewhere. So it's just nice to get out of the truck and just stretch your legs a little bit. And you know, it's nice weather. It's about 25 degrees. There's not much sun, but it's warm enough. And yeah, we can just get out, stretch my legs, maybe come for a walk tomorrow as well. And it's just it's nice and peaceful to be away. So yeah, it's going well. Yeah, this is nice along here. It is nice to get out of the truck. It is really nice. You know, it's probably going to be about a 4-mile walk this, you know, and I'm going to be back before 12 o'clock. And yeah, it's just nice to get some exercise in and get away from the truck, and you're not just sat in the truck all weekend. I might even come out tomorrow off camera and do another walk along here. It's fairly flat, it's easy to get to. It's only just up the road. Like I say, it's just peaceful. You do get all squirrels and that in the trees and that trying to trick you, because there is apparently there's black bears around here. They've been spotted every county in Pennsylvania, which is the state we're in. So I'm keeping my eyes peeled. And yeah, we're not far from trailhead, to be fair, on the end of it. So, and there's houses and that along here. So that's all right. But yeah, I'd say I just like to get out of the truck. I've not done it much since I've been over here. Really explore places or get out of the truck. I tend to just sit in it all weekend. You know, and there is limited things you can do when you've got the truck with you for the weekend, because you know, it's not, everything's not accessible for truck parking. You know, it's not often you can find and get parked next to a Walmart for a weekend, or even for a night to, you know, go do a shop and find some more food and that, or get out in nature like this. You know, it's very few and far between, so it's nice to have the opportunity when I can to get away. But yeah, well, keep going on. I think there's a tunnel further down this road. I'll probably film that, and yeah, we'll probably just end the video then. And I'll just take a slow walk back and just chill out for the rest of the weekend and get some videos edited and just watch some TV and chill out. So I've made the way up to the tunnel. It's just, you probably can't see on cameras, but I can see people inside with the torches on. Yeah, it's just the middle of nature. We just got a random dog that's just there at the minute. I don't know where he's come from. But yeah, it's just over 2 miles from the truck stop to here, and yeah, fairly flat walk, nice and quiet. So yeah, I'm going to get off though and end this video here. So I'm going to turn around and literally start heading back. I'm going to see what the dog's doing. This don't look like he's abandoned, does he? It looks quite turned out. So yeah, but I'm going to get off and end this video, and yeah, I'll see you on the next one.